Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Baby Registry. To begin, navigate to Amazon's main page and search for Baby Registry to find the dedicated section where you can easily start your own. You will need to provide your name, the baby's expected arrival date, and your shipping address. This initial setup is quick, typically taking just a few moments, and immediately opens up a world of organized preparation for your little one. Remember to confirm all your details before proceeding to the next steps. Once your registry is active, you can begin adding all the essentials and special items you will need. Simply browse Amazon's vast selection and click Add to Baby Registry on any product page. Don't forget, Amazon also offers a universal registry button, allowing you to include items from virtually any other online store. Utilize the built-in checklist, which guides you through categories like feeding, sleeping, and playtime, making sure you do not miss anything important. You can mark items as most wanted to prioritize them. Sharing your completed registry with loved ones is simple. You will receive a unique link that can be shared via email or social media. One of the best benefits is the completion discount, offering up to 15% off on thousands of eligible items remaining on your registry a certain period before your baby's arrival. Furthermore, items purchased from your registry typically qualify for an extended return window, sometimes up to 365 days, providing much appreciated flexibility and peace of mind. After gifts start arriving, Amazon's registry tools help you keep everything organized. You can easily track all purchased items, seeing who sent what, directly from your registry dashboard. This feature also generates a helpful thank you list, providing all the necessary details to send personalized acknowledgments to your thoughtful givers. Remember, you can update your registry at any time, adding or removing items as your preferences and needs change, ensuring it always reflects your current requirements for your new family member.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.